Hi, everyone. So I'm going to talk about your homework for this week. Remember that this week we started a new module, our Module 2, on race and identity. And in this module, we're going to be reading excerpts or writings from four different writers. And so this is going to be the reading is going to be a little bit different than what we had in the history module, because in the history module we were reading about historical accounts or primary sources, but the readings in this module, well, some of them are poetry, others are memoirs where they're writing about their lives. So it's going to be a little bit different. The readings are shorter, but they tend to be a little bit difficult, but I think you'll find them interesting. So on the announcement page, I've given you your link to homework. And the first thing you're going to do is the first two readings by Maya Angelou, Why the Caged Bird Sings. And as you can see, the reading here is just simply one page that you'll be reading. And Phenomenal Woman, which is a poem. And then when you're done with that, you're going to answer the comprehension questions about the Maya Angelou readings. That's 11 questions. Then we move into our next author, Mark Matabaneh. Mark Matabaneh is from South Africa, and he compares the African experience in South Africa with the African American experience in the United States. And so we looked at this in class, and you're going to work on the vocabulary handout and submit it here as an attachment. Then you're going to take a short quiz about the structure of the Matabaneh reading. And then you will practice the vocabulary from Matabaneh through Quizlet. And you'll continue with Prayers for the Stolen, reading pages 99 through 121 and answering the comprehension questions. Remember, you do not have to give me the answers to these. This is for your own use to make sure that you're understanding. And then finally, please get started on your race and identity project. Groups 1 and 2, prepare your presentations on Maya and Matabaneh because you'll be presenting next week. That's all for this week. Thank you.